we have within our presence the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Mr. E.G. Mnangagwa. Oh, sorry, did I get that wrong?
Welcome, E.G.
Welcome, E.G.
Zimbabwe is for all Zimbabweans. Likewise, as Zimbabweans, I was there presiding a function. I was like, let me get here and see how you are enjoying your day.
We are.
Moving on.
As it were, continue enjoying your Zimbabwe. Don't worry about how things are, we will fix it. I'm a listening president. Don't worry about which ear is listening, but I listen. I'll be off now. Thank you so much.
No, but Mr. President, I've got one question for you though. This is the question that every single Zimbabwean has got on their minds right now. And this is the most important thing that we are all thinking about. How can we decide who is better, Kim Kardashian or Khloe Kardashian?
That is a simple question. Once we decide which K is better, in Kim or Khloe, then you have your answer.
I want to know why your police in charge here is looking so rickety.
The police have a mandate to do their job steadfastly, to stand and protect our valiant citizens like yourselves. He's waiting for any lurking danger. You are in safe hands. Thank you.
Can we please say thank you to our President?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Whoever you are, nice to meet you.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
What's your exchange rate?
Exchange rate is determinant of how urgent you want to use your money. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.